they become independent, more responsible, ready to contribute effectively to the Navy's service.
A single word of command, displaying the teamwork, commitment, and the dedication of our team of trainees and trainers. Ladies and gentlemen, request everyone to have a look at the TV screen in front of you. The guard is warming up in the diamond crossing formation.
मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे, मिटने वाला वो नाम नहीं, मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है, मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है, मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है।
The guard is now forming up in the shape of a Chakravyuh. The Chakravyuh is a formidable military formation which symbolizes the inescapable cycle of war, where strategy, courage, and faith intertwine, testing the warrior's skill and destiny alike.
मुकम्मल है इबादत, वतने शान रखता हूँ, वतन की शान की खातिर हथेली पर जान रखता हूँ। तुम देखते हो नशा मेरी आंखों में किसी और का, देशभक्त हूँ मैं, दिल में हिंदुस्तान रखता हूँ, दिल में हिंदुस्तान रखता हूँ।
May we have a huge round of applause for this wonderful parade display.
Formation of Dhanush. Now trainees will show the theme of modernization of weapons in the armed forces.
देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम, कोई पूछे जो कौन हो तुम, गर्व से कहेंगे भारत माँ की संतान है हम, भारत माँ की संतान है हम।
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you the formation of Dhanush.
Formation of sword. This sword belongs to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the father of Indian Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you formation of sword. In SAS, the first indigenously built small arms by the DRDO. It has its own recognition of being used in the Kargil War. Presenting before you the formation of INSAS.
Formation of BrahMos, the supersonic ballistic missile, also considered as a power behind the punch for our indigenously missile system. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you the formation of BrahMos.
Now, the guard is forming up in the shape of Mahendragiri, INS Mahendragiri, the most advanced indigenously built warship that shows the maritime capability of the Indian Navy. INS Mahendragiri reflects the Navy's pride and self-reliance of our country.
Formation of submarine. The latest Indian submarine is INS Aridhaman, the third indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine of the Arihant class. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you the formation of submarine.
Formation of Vikrant. The Continuity Guard is now forming the indigenously built aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant is a proud symbol of India's maritime self-reliance, carrying the nation's strength across the vast sea. INS Vikrant was effectively deployed during the Operation Sindoor and played a vital role in reinforcing
Anchor Circle Formation. Now they are showcasing anchor formation with the help of 9 circles, which represents safety and security in maritime domains. The anchor assists the seaman in maintaining safety and stability at sea. An anchor holds a wandering ship when the sea roars and rise, a silent guard of steel and hope beneath the restless skies.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है, वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे ए आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है.
Rifle throwing formation. Now the guard showcasing confidence, strength and teamwork on throwing the rifles to each others. And the commanders are marching between the rifles fearlessly and showcasing courage, boldness and willingness to face the risk without being deterred by fear.
कोई पूछे कि हमने क्या सीखा, हमने अनुशासन सीखा, हमने कर्तव्य सीखा, हमने सम्मान सीखा, सम्मान एक स्वाभिमान है ये सीखा, हमने साहस सीखा, दूसरों में साहस भरना सीखा, हमने आईएनएस चिल्का से नौसेना को सीखा.
Formation of Indian naval insignia. Now the guard is forming up the shape of Indian naval insignia, which shows the evolving identity and commitment to modernization. Navy's insignia crowns every uniform with legacy and pride, a golden emblem of duty and valor honored across the oceans wide.
Ladies and gentlemen, please hold your breath as the Continuity Guard will now fire 3 blank rounds.
तू है ऋतु, तू है घटा, तू है बहार, तू है छटा, तू बादलों सा शोर कर, तू बिजलियों सा जोर कर, तू मिटा दे दुश्मनों को, कुछ तो ऐसा गौर कर, कुछ तो ऐसा गौर कर.
तू आसमां में सर उठा कि खुद से ये तो कह सके, मर गए हैं शान से हम मातृभूमि के लिए, इस मातृभूमि के लिए. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the Continuity Drill Squad. चाह नहीं नहीं मैं सुरबाला के गहनों में गूथा जाऊं, चाह नहीं देवों के सिर पर चढ़ूं भाग्य पर इठलाऊं, मुझे तोड़ लेना वनमाली उस पथ पर देना तू फेंक, मातृभूमि पर शीश चढ़ाने जिस पथ जाए वीर अनेक, जिस पथ जाए वीर अनेक. Now the Continuity Guard is forming up to give its final salute to the honorable chief guest of the passing out parade.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for our Continuity Grill Guard.
The Continuity Guard that you witnessed has been achieved by strong instructor-trainee relationship and dedicated practice of just 20 days without affecting any other facet of training.
हम कच्ची मिट्टी के बने नहीं जो पानी से गल जाएंगे, इस देश की शान की खातिर हर बाधाओं से टकराएंगे. एक आवाज देकर तो देखो, तुम हमको पास अपने पाओगे. कहीं लड़ना हो अंगारों से, जूझना हो तूफानों से, तुम हमको डटे पाओगे, तुम हमको डटे पाओगे.
The proud instructors are Vijendra Kumar, Petty Officer, Gunnery Instructor, Malan Goda Patil, Petty Officer, Gunnery Instructor, and Sachin, Petty Officer, Gunnery Instructor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the discipline, precision and coordination you just witnessed on the parade ground represents the rock-solid foundation of our training. And now, to mark the grand culmination of this spectacular display and to celebrate the flawless efforts of our contingents, today's ceremony will culminate with the ceremonial lowering of the naval ensign. To conduct the ceremony, we will now invite the officer of the day and the INS Chilka band. All spectators are requested to rise and face the main mast on the quarterdeck. All personnel in uniform are requested to salute with the musical note.